Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a quick review on this hair that you see right here. So if you guys want all the deets, then make sure you stay tuned. Okay loves, so this wig is courtesy of ZURY Hollywood. This is from their Sis Sister wig line, and it is from their Beyond Your Imagination collection. It is in the style BYD-LACE H Alexa and the color Psalm RT Blue Petal. And so this is what it looks like on the model in a different color. I'm not sure which. Oh, this is what it looks like on the model in lavender. So I decided to choose this color because, as you guys know, I've kind of been on a blue theme, which I wasn't trying to do. It just kind of happened with the units that I've been receiving. But I thought this would be a beautiful unit because of the dark roots, and I was right. So I absolutely love this unit. Like, I feel like it is very complimentary to my skin tone. I feel like I love the dark roots. It did come with baby hairs. As you guys will see, I didn't do much with the baby hairs. I just did this little swoop right here, and that was it. Pretty much, I didn't do much to this hair at all. Like, you guys are really going to see how simple this unit was. It was really easy to just put it on my head, cut the lace off, swoop this little baby hair right here, and then I brushed the unit out. So the model is actually wearing it in its natural curl pattern. I decided to use a wide tooth comb to comb the waves out, and so yeah, so that's the look that I got right here. I just feel like it looks more natural wearing it like this. And so yeah, it's not really much that I can say about this unit. As I said, it's going to be a quick review because the unit is the A+, you know what I'm saying? It's a 4 stars. Of course, because the unit is kind of long, I did get some snags, but it's a synthetic unit, so what do you expect? It's not a big issue to me, so hopefully it's not a big issue to you. This unit in black, I'm sure will be absolutely gorgeous, so if you guys like it in black, then you know, you guys can at least get a feel of what this unit looks like if you know, brushed it out, combed it out. And so yeah, I'm definitely feeling this unit. And so if you guys like it, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys are thinking, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.